Today we discuss a, a problem that has appeared in a recently held JEE main examination. The problem is from the section matrices and determinants, and the problem is based on the concept of determinant. We now state the problem and discuss its solution. This question has appeared in a JEE main exam held on 20th July 2021 in the morning session. The statement of the question is: let ABCD be in arithmetic progression with common difference lambda. If this 3 by 3 determinant, what is the 3 by 3 determinant? The 3 by 3 determinant whose first row is x plus a minus c, x plus b, x plus a, second row x minus 1, x plus c, x plus b, third row x minus b plus d, x plus d, x plus c, that determinant is equal to 2, then the value of lambda square is equal to, the value of lambda square is equal to. The question is, A, B, C, D are in arithmetic progression with common difference lambda, and if this determinant is equal to 2, then what is the square of the common difference? That is the question. We'll discuss the solution in detail. Solution: given A, B, C, D are real numbers which are in arithmetic progression with common difference lambda. Now A is the first term, B is the second term. The second term of AP is A plus D, that is A plus lambda. C, the third term, will be A plus 2D, that will be A plus 2 lambda. D, that is the fourth term, that is equal to A plus 3D, that is equal to A plus 3 lambda. So therefore, B is equal to A plus lambda, C is equal to A plus 2 lambda, D is equal to A plus 3 lambda. Now, in the determinant, you see we have a minus C here and a minus B plus D here. So first of all, let us see what will be A minus C. C is equal to A plus 2 lambda. C, A minus C will be minus 2 lambda minus B plus D, minus B plus D. From D, A plus 3 lambda, subtract B. Subtract B means minus A minus lambda. A cancels and 3 lambda minus lambda will be 2 lambda. So that is A minus C is minus 2 lambda, minus B plus D is 2 lambda. Now, now we write now x plus A minus C. A minus C is minus 2 lambda, and x minus B plus D, that is this is the given matrix, and that is equal to, yes, for A minus C we will write minus 2 lambda. For B we write A plus lambda. B is here, B is here. And for C we write A plus 2 lambda. For D we write A plus 3 lambda, and that will become now, that is equal to A minus C minus 2 lambda. For B, A plus lambda, A plus lambda, and A is remaining same only. So that is the matrix in terms of lambda. Now take this to the next slide. We have 2 is equal to this 3 by 3 determinant. Now what I observe is, if I subtract the first row From second row, what I will get here is x plus a plus 2 lambda minus x plus a plus lambda, x plus a cancels, 2 lambda minus lambda will get lambda here, and x plus a plus lambda minus x plus a will be lambda. So that's what I see, and accordingly x minus x plus 2 lambda, that will be 2 lambda. So what I will do, I will subtract R1 from R2. Therefore, what is the equation? R2 is equal to R2 minus R1. From R2, subtract the elements of R1. So that will be equal to x minus 2 lambda. So x plus a plus lambda, x plus a first row will be as it is, and second row will be get affected. And from second row, you have to subtract the first row, x minus 1. From that, x minus 2 lambda, if you subtract, you will get 2 lambda minus 1. And x plus a plus 2 lambda, subtract x plus a plus lambda, you will get lambda. X plus a plus lambda, subtract x plus a, you will get lambda. Third row will remain as it is. And once again, what I see is I will subtract the first row from the third row. So what is that I'll get? X plus 2 lambda minus of x minus 2 lambda will be 4 lambda, and x plus a plus 3 lambda minus x plus a plus lambda 2 will get 2 lambda, and x plus a plus 2 lambda minus x plus a will be 2 lambda. So you will get the second row 4 lambda, 2 lambda, 2 lambda. So now what I will do is from the third row subtract 2 times of the second row. Then 2 lambda minus 2 lambda 0, 2 lambda minus 2 lambda will be 0, and accordingly you'll get 4 lambda minus 2 times of 2 lambda minus 1, you will get plus 2. So subtract 2 times R2 from R3. The equation is R3 is equal to R3 minus 2R2, and if you do it, you will get 2, 0, 0. And take it to the next slide. 2 is equal to this. So we brought this one. Now what I will do, it is amenable. It is, we can compute the determinant very easily. So we will expand this determinant by third row. Expanding along third row, what is that you will get? That is equal to, third row will be 2 times of, delete the first row and delete the first column and the third row. You have this 2 by 2 matrix, and the determinant of that is lambda times x plus a plus lambda minus lambda times x plus a. So that will be equal to 2 times, in brackets, lambda times x plus a plus lambda minus lambda times x plus a. And we do not get the remaining terms because 0 is here, 0 is here. So we got the determinant value. And if you subtract, minus lambda x minus lambda a will cancel with lambda x and lambda a. You are left with a lambda square only. So that will be 2 times lambda square. So that's what we got is 2 is equal to 2 times lambda square, and therefore lambda square is equal to 1. What is the question asked? The question asked is find the value of lambda square. That is, the value of lambda square is equal to dash dash dash. So the dash is to be filled by 1. So therefore our answer is 1, and this completes the discussion of the problem. And it looks like there will be at least 2 questions from matrices and determinants. Now I tell you, you go home and go on working out problems on determinant matrices which will be normally be easy. So work out some more problems from a standard textbook. I wish you all the best. Thank you.